This is a sound meditation for highly sensitive people to help you with the energetic boundaries and grounding. So welcome to this sacred space. If you are a highly sensitive person, you might often feel overwhelmed by the world around you and pick up energies that are not yours. So this session is designed to help you clear any negative energy, restore balance, and create a protective shield around your body. As we start, focus on the flame. Be the flame. Close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath. Exhale fully, releasing any tension or stress. Now, imagine yourself standing barefoot on the earth. Imagine a path through the forest, or even a place that you know well, where you can feel safe to walk barefoot on the earth. Feel the solid ground beneath you, anchoring you. With each breath, imagine roots extending from the soles of your feet deep down into the earth, connecting you to its nurturing energy. As I play the sounds, these roots will grow stronger, anchoring you deeply while drawing up the earth's stabilizing energy to fill your body. Imagine a golden energy coming from deep down from the earth, filling your body from the feet, legs, torso, arms, neck, and head. Now, imagine a soft silver cascade of energy pouring down from above your head, from the heavens, coming in through your crown. It flows over your head and shoulders, down your entire body, cleansing and washing away any energy that does not belong to you. See this silver light forming a protective shield around you, creating a layer of safety and comfort, a protective field all around you. Next, a radiant white light begins to surround your body, filling your energy filled with peace, calm, and strength. This light creates a sacred boundary, And just outside this boundary is a soft purple outer layer, acting as a shield against anything that does not serve your highest good. As you listen now to the sounds, feel the sounds clearing and strengthening your energy field. With each wave of sound, your energetic boundary becomes brighter, stronger, and more resilient. You are safe, you are grounded, you are protected. Imagine the sounds of the chime connecting you to the earth. This chime is the earth element. Imagine the sounds around you, protecting you. Take a moment to feel the stability and safety within your body and your energetic field. Whisper to yourself, I am grounded. I am protected. I am whole. When you're ready, bring your awareness back to the room, carrying you this sense of calm and empowerment. Thank you for sharing this sacred space with me. Remember, this protective field is always within you and can be reawakened whenever you need it. Be well.